What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader, here with a very cool video lesson about one of my students who made over $6,000 in one day. Check out how he did it. All right, what's up, Tim Sykes here, working away, multitasking like a motherfucker. Sorry for swearing, kids. I love getting messages from you guys, and I read them all. I read the tweets, I read the DMs, I read the comments, so keep them coming. Honest feedback. Don't just be fake around me, okay? Give me the truth, because that makes me a better teacher. That makes you guys better students. Here's a message from the real LLMO. I don't know what that username is. But this guy says, there's no one more legit than Tim Sykes. Been following him for years. Bought YECO today at 370, dip bought a few times. I thought it was done at 6, so I stopped trading. At that point, I was up $3,000 on the day. It spiked again, so I bought the stock back in. Now I'm at $6,500 in profits. Timothy Sykes, thank you so much. I started out just like you using my bar mitzvah money. Thank you, the real LLMO. First of all, shalom, mazel mazel, congrats on the success. For those of you who don't know, YECO has been one of the biggest supernovas as I'm filming this in October 2018. In one day, when I posted this comment, or when the guy traded it too, YECO went from the 1s to the 13s. Today I'm filming this, actually it's the next day. YECO is at, let's see, 11.5, but it got up to the 17s. So pretty crazy run up from the 1s to the 17s, 10 times your money in basically 24 hours if you timed it perfectly, which no one ever does. But that is the upside potential with these stocks. In case you didn't understand it, I know there's a lot of people out there who say, oh, I hate penny stocks, never trade penny stocks, they're all scams, they're all terrible. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck if it's a scam or not. I cut my losses quickly. I get out very quickly. If the stock goes against me, I'm out. Usually you probably shouldn't even hold these stocks overnight. Obviously, if you did hold it overnight, in this one case, it would have worked. I would not suggest holding a stock that goes from the 1s to the 13s in one day overnight. It's just too risky. I love this comment though, where he was dip buying it in the 3s, thought it was done in the 6s. But he kept dip buying it because, it didn't just go from 1 to 13 like straight up. There were dips along the way. He likes dip buying, obviously. So he kept trading and he took the opportunities that were given to him. That's basically what this lesson is about. How do you make so much money in a day? You don't go in saying, I need to make $6,500 today. You don't go in with expectations. You respond to what opportunities give you, okay? It's like the market is giving you a gift. Do you accept this gift? Or do you just say, no, I don't understand it, I don't want this gift? Which is sadly what most people are. Most people aren't prepared for these great plays. Most people in my chat room even, and on Twitter if you look, they're saying, I've never seen anything like this. This is incredible. I didn't think this stuff could happen. Because you haven't been studying my DVDs or video lessons, okay? I have dozens of examples of stocks that go up 500 to 1,000% in a day. It doesn't happen every day. It doesn't happen every week. Sometimes it doesn't even happen for a month. But every now and then it does. And I'll tell you, this was YECO was yesterday. Today we have, where was it? PTI. PTI is another crazy play. It's gone from the 3s and it hit 11 in one day. So basically nearly 4 times your money in one day. This is the beauty of A, the stock market, B, penny stocks, and C, if you are prepared. And it doesn't matter if you buy at the bottom and sell at the top. I love this guy where he's dip buying along the way, and he's like, I think it's done, but I'm gonna keep cautiously buying and keep selling, keep taking profits. He made $6,500. If he had just held, probably could have made 10 grand. It doesn't matter. It's not about timing these things perfectly, it's taking the meat of the move. And if you can make $6,500, hell, if you can make $500 in a day, and you learn, and you get experience trading one of these things, that's a win. Even if, let's say, you're scared to trade, so you trade with a very small position. Or maybe you don't even trade, maybe you're just watching. Maybe you're using stocks to trade, which is the software that I think that you should use. Click the link just below this video. Paper trade, practice trade, don't even use real money. You need 2 things. One, experience and knowledge, and that comes from witnessing this stuff live. It's easy for me to say, oh, it went from 1 to 13 in a day. In the moment, things are moving so fast, you better be fucking prepared. And two, experience and knowledge are helpful, but having experience of trading it and actually, seeing how you respond emotionally in the moment. Seconds, minutes matter, okay? So you can study the past. This is why I have video lessons and DVDs, but you also need to be there to witness it. So even if you did not profit from this one, even if you did not trade it, at least witness it. And if you miss this one, don't worry, there will be another one. There will be 10 more, 50 more, 100 more. The stock market goes on, the game goes on. Are you prepared or not? Congratulations to this student. You can see you can make $6,500. I know he has a very small account, so this is actually a big percentage gain for him, but this is what it's all about. Recognizing the opportunity and taking advantage of it. Click a link just below this, use stocks to trade, get in the game, start practicing, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think if you've witnessed YECO or PTI or any of these supernovas. Let's hear your thoughts. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there, and also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.